Hello, good morning, students, and I welcome you to my this session of notice writing. Now, students, as you can see, we are doing the revision. We have already finished our syllabus, and we are doing the revision of notice writing. And in my previous video, I have told you a lot of things about notice writing. Once again, I am going to revise the things which we have done in notice writing. Children, before starting that, I should like to ask you that what is a notice? Now, so children, what is a notice? Notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. So first of all, what is a notice? It is a printed news information. It can be written also. It can be printed also. So this is a printed or written news information. Now children, a notice can be in the form of a formal announcement. A notice can be in the form of a formal announcement of public importance. It can be warning in advance and may be used for giving information to a section of people or people at large. So children, it is used for giving information to a section of people or people at a large scale. Now children, there are two types of notices. I have told you that one notice is related with the school and colleges. The other notices comes out to us in the news, reaches at us through the newspaper. So we have to do, I will be doing both the types of notice with you. Educational notices are displayed on notice boards in school and colleges. Children, in our school the notice come in the verbal form, but many notices are displayed on the board also, like when the admission will be there, the result, when the results declaration will be there. So there are a lot of things which you can see is displayed on the school notice board. Okay, so notice children, generally it is a school or a college notice, or it is a notice in the newspaper. A notice can also find place in the column of a newspaper or an advertisement. As now children, I will be telling you, notices are a effective means of communication in the modern age. It is a very effective means of communication. They are one of the effective ways to reach a large number of people in a short time. As such, we must be clear and brief in writing notices. And children, we should write the notice in lucid style, in brief and in a more clear way. All the information should be there in notice, so the people who read the notice should not have any problem. Immediately they should know that what this notice is about, where they have to go, which time, which place. All these things are mandatory in writing notices. Children, generally notice are written in a printed pad or children of the students council institution or children drama or cultural club. So these are the places where generally notice are put. And children, notices are put in a very formal and simple languages. Remember this thing, notices are put in a very formal and simple languages. Notice for school and colleges notice board contains certain announcement or information to student. So children, notice contains certain information. It contains a lot of things related with school and colleges. Okay, they are brief and to the point, having no scope for irrelevant or superfluous material. Well, there is a particular format for notice. I will draw you and I will revise once more with you the format of a notice. When we write the notice, the date is also written at the top hand corner. We don't write the date anywhere like in the bottom or at the side, only at the top hand corner near the top hand corner. Okay, now I've already discussed with you children the notice related with events and happening. So I am thinking to take in notice related with tours and travels today. So first of all children, what type of notice writing we will take about tours and travels. Tours and travels. Okay, and children, in tours and traveler, picnic will come, excursion will come. Okay, going out of a station, that all will be there in the category of tours and travel. Now students, I'm going to draw the format of I'm going to tell you about the format of a notice writing. So children, we have to draw a box. Whenever we write a notice, okay, what do? We draw, first thing we do, we draw a box. We draw a square box. But children, remember that we will not close the box, because children, it depends upon the handwriting. Though notice writing is of 50 words, but if your handwriting is large, children, then children, you will be confused that after closing the box you will not have enough space to write your notice, and then again children, you have to cut the whole notice and you have to rewrite it again. So it's better not to close the box until and unless you finish your notice. Okay, so we draw a box. In the first line we have to leave, in the second line children, name of the institution. And place. So children, first line we have to leave, and children, in the second line, name of the institution and place. In the third line children, we write notice with the capital letter. In the fourth line we write heading, that is also with the capital letter. Here we write date. Student, here we write the content in 50 words. And then here children, name, and in the last children, designation. And then you close your box after writing one line. Okay, so children, how do we write the notice? We write notice, what do we do children? We write notice, first line we leave that line, second line the name of the institution with the capital letter is written, third is notice, fourth line your heading should be there, then the date also should be here, fifth line children, your content of the notice should be there, and after that you have to leave one line, then you have to write your name, and then you have to write your designation. In this way children, we have to write the notice. Now I will be reading one notice related with tours and travel. You will see how I will be writing that notice to you. So children, first I will read the question. You are Sanjay or Sangeeta. If you are a boy, you have to write Sanjay. If you are a girl, you have to write Sangeeta. As president of the excursion club, now children, here the designation is also given. You are the president of the excursion club. You have organized an excursion to Kathmandu. So what you have done, you have organized an excursion in Kathmandu, okay, which is the capital of Nepal, during the summer vacation for the senior students of your school. So children, you have organized an excursion to Kathmandu, and that is for the senior students. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about the proposed excursion. Now children, after planning the excursion, okay, what is the who is the children person who is planning? The president of the excursion club. He has planned that you have to go to the excursion, and children, you have to decide whether you have to go or not. And where you have to go, children? Your excursion will be going to the Kathmandu, which is the capital of Nepal. And when? During the summer vacation. This is also given here in the question. Okay. And children, for the senior student of your school, now here you have at the last it is written, write a notice in about 50 words. So you have to write the notice, children, in about 50 words. Okay. And you have to write about the excursion. Okay. So children, first thing you have to see whether the name of the school is there or not. Okay. If it is not there, then children, you have to write name of any school. All right. And if you are confused, you can write the name of your school along with the place. So I think we should write the name of our school only. Okay. So we will leave the first line, and children, we will write the name of the institution. If it is not given, write the name of your school. So children, first line you have to leave blank. Second line you have to write Army Public School, comma Varanasi. You can see, children, everything is written with the capital letter. Okay. And if you don't want to write the name of your school, you can write the name of any school, but just check that the student that everything is there or not. So then children, in the third line I have written notice, and now you have to write the thing of the title. So you can write excursion to Kathmandu. Write the date here. The full day, 22 August, comma, and 2020. So children, have you seen the format? You have to draw a box, leave first line. In the second line, write Army Public School, Varanasi. Third line, you have to write notice. Fourth line, excursion to Kathmandu. From the left side, you have to write 22 August 2020. You have to write the date. You don't have to write the date like this. You have to write the date like this, student. Okay. And here I have done the heading. Now you have to leave the one line. You have to leave one line, and you have to write the content in 50 words. You have to write the content in 50 words. All right. And now children, you can see first, second, third, fourth, everything is written in the capital letter. Army Public School, Varanasi is written with the capital letter. Notice is written with the capital letter. 22 August 2020 excursion to Kathmandu is written to the capital letter. Now children, we are coming to the content of the notice. So how you are going to write the content? You can write here, all the students are hereby informed that all the students are hereby informed that the excursion club is organizing an excursion to Kathmandu, Nepal during the summer vacation for the senior student of 11th and 12th. Those interested will have to undergo a physical cum medical test. Those interested, they have to undergo a physical cum medical test. Those selected will have to deposit 3,000 rupees latest by 20th September 2020 to the undersigned. Okay, this money will be charged for food and lodging. Then children, what is the meaning of undersigned? Children, the person who has written this notice. To whom you have to give the names and money, all that thing. So yours sincerely, and no children, you don't have to write yours sincerely here. You only have to write your name and then your designation. So your name here is Sangeeta and your designation is President Excursion Club. Okay, so this is the way you have to write, children, notice related with tours and travel. Now I will be telling you how to write notice related with sports. Okay, so sometimes notice come with a relationship with sports, NSS, Red Cross camps, all these are the important key points which the notice can be related with this point, it can come. So now children, I am reading one more question which is related with sports. You are Sonu or Sonali? What is the question? You are Sonu or you are Sonali? Sports Secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. So you are the Sports Secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board. Now children, the answer is written quite correctly here. It is told that you have to write not more than 50 words for your school notice board, Gwalior. Asking interested students in playing hockey. And children, you have to ask those students who are interested in playing hockey, their name should be there. Okay, to give their names for selection in the school hockey team. Invent date, time, eligibility criteria, it should be written properly. So children, definitely children, if we will write the notice, all this information should be there. So definitely children, here all the things, okay, like your date, time, eligibility criteria, etc. are there, should be written in the notice. Now children, of course you can see, first of all children, let's find out that what is this notice is about and what are the things which is given in the notice. Okay, so we will start with, children, we will draw a box first and then we will leave one line. From the second line, let's see whether the name of the institution is there or not. So children, I have drawn the box. You can see children, a box is there. Okay, you have to leave one line, and I think children, in the very beginning only in the question this is given. Okay, your Sonu or Sonali is sports secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. So the name of the institution is there, and that name of the institution you have to write with a capital letter. So leave one line, the second line you write Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Okay, and the second line you have to write, third line you have to write notice, and then children you have to write the heading. So what is the heading? To play hockey. Hockey match. Okay, write the date. The full date you have to write. Now we will start the notice. Okay, how we are going to start our notice? We are going to start our notice by children writing the same language, because I am always repeating one language, children. Otherwise, children, you will not get confused. What is the language? The selection for the school hockey team. The selection for the school hockey team, or you can start like that, all the students are informed that the selection for the school hockey team will be made on 20th March. 20 will be made, you have to write the date, children, accordingly. Now what should be the date, children? We can write somewhere in the September. On the selection for the school hockey team will be made on 2nd September 2020 at 4 p.m. at the school playground. Those interested in playing hockey must give their names to the undersigned by, children, choose one day, by 27th of August 2020. Selection will be made purely on performance on the field. Only the student of class 9 to 12 are eligible for the selection. Selected students will be selected for the hockey match, inter-school hockey match. And children, then you have to write, you have to close, you have to write, interested student can give their name to the undersigned. Okay, only the student of class 9 to 12 are eligible for selection. Then children, you have to write, if you are a boy you write Sonu, if you are a girl you write Sonali. And children, the designation, I remember it was given in the question, you are the sports secretary. Then children, you have to leave one line here, close the box. So this is the way we write a notice. Okay, so one notice we have done related with tours and travel. Other notice I have revised you that how to write the notice when some match is going to be there, or a selection of the match of the team must be there. Okay, now one more, children, we can do related with the sport. One more notice we can write related with the student sports. So I am reading the question and you have to see. You are the director physical education of your school. So you are the children department of physical education is there, and you are the director of the physical education of your school. Your school is playing against CPM school Meerut. So children, your school is playing against one school and the name of that school is CPM School Merit, in the zonal volleyball finals. Okay, in the zonal volleyball finals. Write a notice in about 50 words for a school notice board inviting your school student to come and watch the tournament and cheer the team. So children, what you have to do? You have to see whether the name of the school institution is there. If not, children, okay, if not, then you have to write your name of your school or any other school. So you can write Army Public School, comma, Meerut. Then children, in the first line you have to leave, you have to draw a box, and first line you have to leave empty. In the second line, children, what you will write? The name of the institution. Okay, Maharani, and you have to write, children, what is the name of the institution? It is not given, so you can write any name of the institution. Army Public School, Meerut. Okay, and then children, of course, here you have to write notice, and then you can write name of the institution. Okay, so you can see, children, what I've written on the board. First line I did not write anything, I've left it. Second line you have to write the name of the institution with a capital letter. So I've written here Army Public School, Varanasi, or you can write Meerut. Okay, then children, third line you have to write notice. Fourth line you have to write zonal volleyball finals, and then the date here at the left hand side, the full date should be written. Now student, you can see how you will start your notice. So in the same way, all the students are hereby informed that our school is playing against CPM school. So what you will say? Our school is playing against CPM school Meerut in the zonal volleyball finals on 2nd September 2020. The match will be played at Dhyan Chand Stadium at 4:30 p.m. The match will be played at Dhyan Chand Stadium at 4:30 p.m. All the students are invited to come and watch the tournament and cheer up their team. All the students are invited to come and watch the tournament and cheer up their teams. The school has made a special arrangement of convenience for the student. The school has made a special arrangement for the convenience for the student. Okay, and children, you have to write the name and the designation. S.K. Sharma, Director of the Physical Education. Okay. So your notice should be written in 50 words. I've told you, I've given all the information which should be there. And children, you have to draw a box. Remember this thing, after writing the whole notice, okay, then only you please close your box. Otherwise children, suppose you cannot do overwriting, otherwise your marks will be cut. You will write outside the box, then also your marks will be cut. So remember this thing, after writing your notice only you will children draw a line and close the box. And please, for God's sake, don't draw a rectangular box. That is for something else, like message writing is there, poster writing, and then advertisement is there, okay, formal formal invitation is there. So we draw such type of boxes. But in notice writing children, please draw a square box. So today we have completed children two type of notice related with tours and travels, and notice related with sports. Now tomorrow in my next video I will be telling you about the notice related with lost and found. And with this children, I conclude my lesson here. I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.